My topic is all about dental implant. I chose this topic because dental implant is one of the newest discoveries in the field of dentistry. So, what is dental implant? It is a surgical component that interfaces with the bone of the jaw or the skull to support a dental prosthesis, such as the crown, the bridge, denture, facial prosthesis, or to act as an orthodontic anchor. Most implants connect with other components in order to function. A common component is an abutment which can be provide the connection to a dental prosthesis. The principal use of dental implants, however, are to stabilize artificial teeth. When a single tooth is missing, a dental prosthetic or the artificial tooth can be made using the four components. Dental implants can also be used to retain multiple teeth. So, what is the importance of dental implants? Implant dentistry has evolved into the mainstream of restorative practices all over the world. Maintenance of bone after tooth loss to improve or maintain facial aesthetics and improve retention, function, and performance of removable restorations are only some of the advantages for the edentulous patient.